Hey guys, let me show you real-time image generation with Leonardo's new feature. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Leonardo.ai, and if you don't have an account, you're going to want to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to do that. Then you're going to want to go over and hit Launch App. This is the home screen that you're going to see here. You're going to want to go over to the right-hand side here to where it says Real-Time Generation. Click on that, and this is the screen you're going to see. Down here on this bar, this is where you want to type in your prompt of what you want to create. And I'm going to start off with something simple. Let's say a dog playing with a red ball in the sand. Here, show me a picture in real time of a dog playing with a red ball on sand. So let's give it a more complicated prompt. An older man drinking coffee on his porch on a chilly evening. Here showed the picture in real time of an older man drinking coffee on his porch, and it looks really good. Like it got his fingers right. It got almost everything. Like I off the bat at first I wouldn't be able to tell it's AI generated. Let's see what else I can give it. Let's see if it how well it does with cartoon images or illustrations. A cartoon image of a owl playing video games. And here, and like I said, in real time, it gave me a something that looks like an owl with hands playing video games. Pretty cool. If you guys like more videos like this, please make sure to like and comment, bookmark this, and share this with your friends so the word can get out there. I really appreciate your time, and as always, have a good day.